everybody, it's Jerry. This is my Canteen Cup Tuesday. Canteen Cup Tuesday seems to come around every damn week for some reason. That's alright. That's definitely alright. I already had my coffee, but I'm going to make me some more anyway. Try out my stove. Shit. Trying out my little stove from the Pathfinder Canteen kit. Seems to work pretty good. Seems to work pretty damn good. Except one thing. Let me turn this sumbitch around. Around the back of this thing, see, it's got those holes in it for air. It's air holes. I can already hear it boiling. I just now put it on there. Well, maybe about a couple minutes ago I put it on there. And it's all right. I'm very much enjoying this canteen kit, except for the bag, which I got a few great ideas on the bag, how to fix it. One suggestion was just to sew, oh shit, let me get back up. One suggestion was just to sew these shut and use carabiners, which is a damn good idea. But something else I'll have to do, go around all this stitching. Every bit of this stitching I'll have to go around and redo because it sucks. These pockets, you see these pockets, how wide open these things are? If you have any, I had to pick a few of these up off the ground. These little coffees. If you have anything small that goes in there, it is probably going to fall out. These little flaps here should have been closer to the actual pocket. That way, and the Velcro maybe have it further down, a bigger strip of Velcro. But if it wasn't for the stitching and these freaking dinky little straps and these pockets, it'd be a pretty damn good pouch. But anyway, let me blow my fire back into life. But anyway, through Harshman Hills, he said he'll send me a pouch that might work. Hopefully it does, because I really like this kit a whole lot, and I really like this kit a whole lot, and I'd like to have a good pouch for it. God dog it. Having a hard time keeping this thing lit, but I had a hard time before I even put the little stove on there, so it's not the stove's fault. And I don't know what the hell's wrong, because the wood is good and dry. I've got it cut into small pieces just to fit inside that stove. So, I don't know. But my water's already boiling. So I might just say screw it. I was going to talk a little about a few things while this was boiling, but hell, it's already boiling. So, well, I'll still talk about it. Well, anyway. You know, I've only been doing YouTube maybe 4 or 5 months. Something like that. I wish I would have been doing it longer. You know, I didn't like it at first, but then I'm kind of enjoying it now. Gives me something to do, you know, when I'm not doing anything else. So, anyway, like I said, I've been doing it for like 4 or 5 months now, and my channel's been growing pretty quickly, and I damn sure appreciate it. I appreciate everybody here. So, I was going to do this last month, but then I got pretty busy and I forgot. So I'm doing it now. It's a subscriber appreciation. You guys see me use the Beast a lot. Nathan 4071's Beast ferro rod, the biggest ferro rod in the world. It fucking spark throwing this one sumbitch you ever see. If you haven't used one, I would damn sure suggest you do, because you'll love it. I mean, this son of a gun throws, man, it throws a spark. It throws a spark like you would not believe. And after you use these, the smaller ones, they just ain't the same. If you've never used a ferro rod period, you know, I would think you should get a smaller one just to play around and practice with, so you don't just waste all of your Beast. I'm not giving this away. I'm not saying that. It's a big bad mamma jamma. Whoa. But the big mamma jamma, she's got a sister. That's right. She's got a sister. My mamma jamma got the dark hair, and this one's blonde, with the glow-in-the-dark ring, matching striker handle, glow-in-the-dark ring, high-speed steel striker handle. And this is going to one of my oldest subscribers. Like I said, I've only been doing this about 4 or 5 months, and it's not long. But my channel's been growing like crazy. So, this right here, I'll be sending it out probably around the end of the week. It's going to the PSE Mentalist. Buddy, I hope you enjoy it. I know you'll enjoy it. I damn sure know you'll enjoy it. He's a great guy. If you don't know him, go check him out. He's a regular on my channel. He's one of my oldest subscribers, like I already said. He stops by just to say hello, if nothing else, on just about every damn video. You can't beat somebody like that. But anyway, this is yours, buddy. PSE Mentalist. Well, I'm going to get off here. I'm going to drink my coffee as soon as it cools down a little bit. Whew, it's going to be hot. I already burnt shit out my lips on some hot cocoa, and I'm not doing that again. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'm out of here.